Is there seriously dual color?
Yeah.
Tell me more, Neil.
Sure, no problem. Let's have a wonderful day today. So this has the effect of increasing vitality by inducing active mental states. So right now it's a red on top with an orange on the bottom.
Wow.
Let's do relieves anxiety and reduce stress. Now it has like a, I guess, a magenta top and a purple bottom. Oh wow, so many. Like that. Different shades of blue. Get inspired.
Feeling creative.
Creative inspiration.
I like it.
Look at that. And custom dual color. Look at that. Ha 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 ha.